Do you use Gmail in dark mode but sometimes find it hard to read certain emails because of the dark background? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to read your emails in light mode without changing your entire Gmail theme. Open the Gmail app on your device and tap on the email you want to read. Look for the three dots icon in the top right corner of the email. From the menu that appears, select View in Light Theme. Your email will now be displayed in light mode, making it much easier to read. This is especially helpful for emails with dark colored text or images that don't display well in dark mode. It ensures better visibility without the need to permanently switch your Gmail theme. To return to the dark mode view, you can simply close the email and reopen it without selecting the light theme option. And there you have it. This feature is super useful for emails with images or text that don't display well in dark mode. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more Gmail tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.